Hey y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are here with another yoga block workout, and today we are going to be doing yoga block glute bridges. So if y'all are ready, go ahead and get on a mat, grab your yoga blocks, and let's begin. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab just one of our yoga blocks today, and we are going to roll back down, slow and controlled here. So we are going to grab one of those yoga blocks, place it in between your knees here, and we're going to come up into glute bridges here for 1 minute. So we are just going to lift up and come down, and up and come down. So now that we have the yoga block in between our knees here, you really have to squeeze your knees together. Really squeeze in your legs so this engages our legs further. Really getting that extra work here. So lift up and come down. So we have 1 minute of this move here. So come up and down, and up and down. So we are working on our butt here today, working on getting a stronger, more lifted booty here. Y'all are doing so great. So just 1 minute here, we'll really work and target our glutes here. So lift up and come down, and up and come down. Just 1 minute here, y'all. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we're just going to stay lifted the entire time, and we're gonna pulse it out. So pulse, 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 pulse. Every time that I do the pulses and the glute bridge, I really feel it here. Pulses are so effective here. I can really feel the burn right now. How about all of y'all? I can feel this a lot, especially in my hamstrings. These glute bridges really work on toning up your hammies. And be sure to squeeze and engage your core the entire time as well. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now you can come down for just a second here, and we're gonna scoot those heels down just a little bit further here, and we're gonna come back up into those glute bridges. So coming down and back up, down and back up. So I have my toes up. I'm putting all the weight into my heels here. This makes you work on those glute bridges and your hamstrings just a little bit differently, working a little bit different. Your muscle groups here. It's coming down and up and down and up. So when I have my heels out further, I can really feel this in my hammies right now. It is such a beautiful day outside. We've got the sunshine, got the bright blue skies, which matches my shirt. I got the whole blue outfit on here, my shoes, my pants, my shirt, even my sunglasses. And my nails match my shirt as well. Got the same shade of blue on, but I have some silver on there, and I did this cute little design where I have some stripes. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, last move, staying lifted, and we're just gonna pulse it out here. So pulse, pulse, pulse. I can really feel this right now in my glutes, my hammies. They're really burning right now. But we're gonna fight through the pain, we're gonna push through, and then soon we will be done with this workout. So this one is super short, so if you wanna repeat it, you can totally do that. Or you can pair this with the other butt workout videos that I have. I have a whole playlist on my channel for butt workouts, so check those out if you haven't already. Keep pulsing here. We're almost done. Keep lifting in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of every one of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up Leave me a comment down below letting me know exactly what you thought of this workout, and be sure to subscribe. A big thank you to all of my subscribers, and I look forward to seeing y'all on Friday for our Zumba dance workout. Bye!